Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. So we've just got set up here. You can see this is our dust vacuum system, right? And you can see how much dust we're pulling out of this roof, right? You wouldn't be able to do it with like a normal commercial vacuum cleaner. It'd, just take forever. So and we've got these big hoses that run up in the roof, and as you can see, there's not actually much dust down here. We're actually vacuuming at the moment, and there's no dust blowing around outside in the yard. So that's good, and I'll just take you up the ladder here, and I'll show you up in the roof as such. Now when we're vacuuming, we lift the roof in a few sections, and you can see there, that's all nice and clean. Now the white powder that's still on the roof there, that's actually stuck to the roof. That's the spray that they pump around for the pest control guys. So that's us vacuuming the roof out. And I'll just shine around a bit. Anyway, so it's not washing the roof as such. We're not washing in here, but we do give it a brush over with the broom and then back up the roof. Okay. Now I've actually lifted this section here. We've backed in here as well. So you can see that there. So that's the same. And there's a manhole there. I think, yep, just over there. And it's the same in here. So, alright. Now, and if we come over to the new section, or rather, not the new section, but just the last section, as it were. This is the last bit. Now we've been on this all day, and see that's the roof there. I'm talking to the video, mate. And you can see how much dust is on the ceiling there. Right? This is quite a lot of dust. And we get the hose in here, and there's one siren underneath there, getting in there and vacuuming the job. Don't know whether you can see him in there, but anyway. Alright, so and then we'll start pumping the cellulose fibre in. So, and we've got the roof open in a couple of places over here and over there, just so then we can let a lot of the heat out and let some light in while we're doing the job. And then we'll do a roof check and put it all back down after we've done the job. Okay, so like, comment, subscribe, share. I hope that helps somebody understand the vacuuming process. And I mean, we've got a 30 metre hose here, and I think it's 75 millimetres round, so it's a fairly big hose. And on this roof here, I don't know how much dust we've pulled out, but you saw it in the bags there before. If you're doing it with a normal household vacuum cleaner, you'd probably have to change your bags 30 or 40 times. But anyway, alright, we'll get going and see you on the next one.